Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Waverley Heights is a residential neighborhood in the southern part of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Located near the banks of the Red River, this area is known for its quiet streets, established homes, and strong connection to nearby green spaces. It offers a suburban setting while still being closely tied to the city's main routes and amenities. Waverley Heights was largely developed during the 1970s, a period when Winnipeg expanded outward with new planned communities. The neighborhood was designed with residential living in mind, featuring curving streets, local parks, and schools integrated into the layout. This planning approach helped create a self-contained community that continues to function well today. The area is primarily made up of single-family homes, many built during its original development period. Over time, some newer housing and updates have been added, but the neighborhood still reflects its roots in the late 20th century. Properties are generally well spaced, with mature trees and landscaping that give the area a settled and consistent appearance. Waverley Heights is home to the University of Manitoba's South Campus, making it an important educational hub within the city. The presence of the university brings students, staff, and research activity into the area, adding a layer of diversity and energy to what is otherwise a quiet residential neighborhood. Green space is a key feature of Waverley Heights. The neighborhood includes several parks and is close to riverbank trails along the Red River. These spaces provide opportunities for walking, cycling, and outdoor recreation throughout the year. The river corridor also supports wildlife and natural vegetation, adding to the area's appeal. Another nearby feature is Fort White Alive, a large environmental and education center located just west of the neighborhood. It offers trails, lakes, and interpretive programs focused on prairie ecosystems. This attraction adds to the outdoor lifestyle that is common in this part of Winnipeg. The neighborhood is also well connected by major routes, including Waverley Street and Pembina Highway. These roads provide direct access to downtown Winnipeg and other parts of the city, making it a practical location for commuters while still maintaining a quieter residential atmosphere. Overall, Waverley Heights is a stable and well-established neighborhood that reflects Winnipeg's suburban growth during the late 20th century. Its combination of residential comfort, access to nature, and proximity to major institutions makes it a key part of the city's southern area. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighborhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial center. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Another defining feature of Winnipeg is its connection to the surrounding prairie landscape. The city is relatively flat, with wide skies and long sightlines that change dramatically with the seasons. Agriculture plays a major role in the region's economy, and Winnipeg remains a key service and distribution center for Manitoba and much of central Canada. Despite its urban growth, it still feels closely tied to the land around it, offering visitors a mix of city life and open space that is distinctly prairie Canadian. Today, Winnipeg is a city of about 800,000 people, known for its affordability, strong sense of community, and mix of urban and natural spaces. Whether exploring historic sites, relaxing in parks, or walking along the rivers, visitors get a clear sense of a city that is both grounded in history and still evolving. Thanks for watching!